offer the most advanced and innovative technologies in equipment and machinery on the PCB assembly line for Industry 4.0, just 30 minutes from Barcelona. We provide advanced inline production equipment and SMT, SMD, THT, smart automation solutions tailored to meet the demand and satisfy the needs of our customers throughout the entire cycle of hardware manufacturing and production processes. The objectives of our project are based on customers and suppliers experiencing the benefit of Industry 4.0 from our factory. Faced with a new health threat caused by the COVID-19 crisis, it has temporarily paralyzed many industries caused by the lockdown, affecting the global supply shortage of microchips and semiconductors in many industries. This prompted manufacturers to seek new local self-supply formulas for the digitized hardware manufacturing and production plants to reduce heavy dependence on other industrial manufacturers from third countries. It is for this reason that some industrial firms have decided to defy the laws of external supply and demand, creating their own assembly lines for their manufacture and mass production in a simple, fast, efficient, affordable, and profitable way. We provide the most advanced automated solutions for exceptional performance. We are leaders in the development of equipment and machinery for electronics and microelectronics manufacturing processes. In addition, from the Demo Smart Factory Center of SMT Worldwide, Incorpora Techno in Europe, we offer the possibility for members to join Industry 4.0 with our robotic automation processes through artificial intelligence that allows monitoring and exhaustive control of production processes autonomously and from anywhere in the world. In this way, the user can foresee and prevent the production challenges he may face at all times. Our global presence, thanks to the wide range of companies with which we collaborate, allows us to have the ability to serve clients around the world, from small startups, especially owners of startups, electronic engineers, laboratory researchers, to large multinational organizations. Our main clients are Bosch, LG, Marelli, amongst many others. The new exhibition and demonstration plant has an area of 2,700 square meters. We have different manufacturing, assembly and production lines, prototype lines for test trials and small productions of PCB manufacturing, SMT, SMD, THT lines, back-end line, storage solutions, consumable and material management, automation through artificial intelligence, PPE, demo laboratory. In addition, we offer specialized training consulting services by our expert engineers to increase productivity and enhance industrial engineering and design competencies. Continuous training classroom through courses, seminars, workshops. They are taught in different modalities. We offer coverage to demand with machinery renting services and turnkey financial solutions. We offer industrial customers a place to test and manufacture for their new product. We offer suppliers a place to display their new equipment. We offer technological solutions for supply, manufacturing, and production.